So, for one reason, I think the day is looking productive. Sun is out. This is very important for where I live. The sun is out, obviously, likely gonna have a good day. So, now that the laundry is done, what's on my agenda next? I'm gonna clean the kitchen. Then, yeah, I need to do some journaling, like I said. So, yep. So, the next quest at hand is to fold these clothes. So, these are the clothes. So, these are the clothes. I need to fold them. So, yeah, let's get cracking. Yep, so I want to go have a shower, then we can hit the charts and really talk about what happened this one. It was a crazy day. The market gave me, he said I was able to, will tell you why I was able to do that. I was able to make some money from portfolio and lost some money on the other portfolio, so it's called portfolio management. So we're going to talk about that and I'm going to show you how I journal my trades. Yep. Just a typical day in my life. This is Saturday. So this is going to be the first trade on this session. So I'm looking at this two support levels here, like a demand zone. Also, I need to pay attention to this week. So this is this week rejection here. So I always do cover the weeks. You can see there's a week rejection, there's a week rejection here. So I always do cover the weeks. So I'm risking about 161 pips. I really do not concern myself much about, pips. So let's see. We're looking for a 122 on this trade. So overall, we should be looking at 300 pips on GU. Let's see. Hopefully it works. So this is what we do. Editing. Come out from work, straight back to work. Stay locked in. So the weather is nice. Decided to take a video. So fucking nice, man. The weather is so fucking nice.